Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to do arbitrage for you all to see. Yeah, so on the 30th of this month, I have a crypto arbitrage beginners class coming up. And if you want the tickets, you can find it on the bio or in the description. And some people are finding it difficult to buy the tickets, so you can chat me straight and you can buy it with USDT. If you want to buy it with USDT, you can chat me straight and buy it with USDT or mobile money. Yeah. So before we do today's trade, I want to show you the deposits I've been doing so far. Yeah. So one thing about arbitrage and my strategy is that you will buy the crypto coin on OKS at a lower rate. And if you want to register OKS, so I have OKS link in the description. If you register, then you chat me and I'll add you to the free signal group and I'll be giving you free signal. Yeah. So this is how I do my arbitrage. I buy it low on OKX, then I send it to the black exchange. So after doing the trade over there, then I'll convert it to USDT and I'll send it back to OKS. So I'll send it back to OKS. So if I come to my OKS history for deposits, you can see that the dates are there. This one is just for the last 7 days. So within this week I've traded like 3 times. Yeah, 3 times, because like, I don't trade much on this app. OKS, I use OKS for doing black arbitrage, because that one, if you're using it to transfer money, it comes at low fee. That's why I love OKX. But if I'm doing exchange to exchange arbitrage, that one, it depends on where the bot will tell me. Buy it from Bybit and go and sell it on Bitfinex. Buy it from here. So that one depends on what the bot will tell me. So this one is just the black market to OKS exchange. Yeah. So you can see the date. So we don't joke. We always deal with the dates. Yeah. So you can see that yesterday was 20th. The first one I did was BTC, and it's worth $100, and the second one is $50, and this one is $30, and I'm done. So yesterday I made $180, and $180, if I convert it to Ghana cedis, I love that. 180 times 11.7 is 2001. So it means that yesterday I made 2001, and that's it. I traded 3 times and I'm done. So the following day, that's today. So today you can see the date, you can see the time: 3:34, 3:45, 3:57. Yeah. So this one, the first trade, I made a profit of what, $15, and the second one was $100, and the third one was $15. So in all, I made $130. So $130 times 11.7 is 1,521. You see, yeah. So it's not small money. Yeah. So today, let me also show you how I'll be doing today's trade. Today's trade, I will be focusing on SRP. So if I come here, I can see that the SRP over here is 2.84. 2.84. So if you're new to OKX, the first thing that you have to do is what? Just go to your P2P and buy your USDT, yeah, on with the vendors. Yeah, so when you receive the USDT, you get the USDT in your you get the USDT in your funding. Then you transfer it from the funding to what? To the trading. You transfer it from funding to trading. Yeah. So that's how it is. Yeah. So I spot SRP. SRP over here is 2.84, and when I go to the black app, SRP over there is what? 3.2. So it means that if I buy and come and sell it over here, I'll make profit. So I'll buy and come and convert it over here. Yeah. So this is how I do it. So when I come to trade over here. So here I'm buying 200 dollars worth of SRP. Like even if you are small with, let's say, $100 or let's say $80. Let me start with $100, $100, $100. Then you put it on limit order, $100. You will get 35.0. So you come here and place the SRP over here. So the $100 you be getting $12 from it. $12 from it. So this is how you do it. First of all, go to withdraw crypto XRP exchange. So here the withdrawal fee is 0.5, not even up to $1. That is why I love OKS comparing to other exchanges. OKS have like low fee, like low withdrawal fee. OKS have low withdrawal fee. Yeah. So it means that in every trade I'll be making $12. So 12.90. So I will deduct the 0.5 from the 0.9. So it means that every trade I'll be making 12.4. 12.4 on every trade. On every trade. So it depends on the higher your investment, the higher the profit. So imagine if you invest $300 to do your trade, how much profit are you making? So when you do this thing, you convert it to USDT, convert the SRP to USDT, and after converting it, then you transfer it back to your OKS or any exchange that you are using, and it means that you'll be making profit on it. Yeah. So mostly I transfer the profit on OKS and my capital on Bybit. Yeah, that's how I do it, because I also use it for exchange to exchange as well. Most like we have several ways of doing arbitrage. We have several ways, so you have to know all the ways. We have exchange to exchange, card to exchange. We have same exchange, black market to exchange, triangular arbitrage strategy, dollar arbitrage strategy. Like we have a lot. Yeah. So this is how I do it. So if you are using the black market tough limits. So me mostly, when I'm using black market, I trade three times with black market, and the rest I do with card to exchange and exchange to exchange. That's what I do. Yeah. So this one I use SRP. So you buy it on SRP, transfer it to black app. That one, when you're transferring it, they will be charging you 0.5. So after you transfer it on the black app, then you exchange it or you swap it to USDT, then you transfer it back to your reliable exchange or the exchange that you normally put money on it, and that's it. Just simple as that. And people will be saying that how much is the black market? The black market app, we sell it, the company sell it, and it's $40. That is why we don't normally put the name app, because the black market also comes with rules and things that you need to know and how you can trade on it. That is why we don't put the name out. So if you buy it from us, you'll get time for you, explain everything to you, show you how you can easily swap your money to get profit and stuff. And that is why we charge the $40. People saying that, so why do you charge for app? Because we will spend our time to show you and to lecture you on it. That is why we charge the $40. Yeah. So this is how you make your money. And when you join this month's class, the black markets will be giving you as low as $20. Yeah. So when you join this month's class, it's $20 for the black market app. Yeah. So this is how I do my trade and make profit every day. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.